yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself.
What is up, you guys? It is a Vlogmas day 2, and we are just getting out of the bed. Your girl has spit up all over her. This little thing right here is spitting up on me, huh? Yeah. So we're about to get our morning started. Go downstairs, see if he'll eat something. But yeah, put Terrell in his pack and play. And he pulled my sweaters. Let me take my little sweater. And y'all, I have to clean this house. Like, it's not like that much, but it's a lot. I have like this major mark on my neck. I scratched myself last night. Hi, baby. I like scratched myself really bad. So it's not a hickey, you guys. I literally scratched myself. I guess my neck was itching while I was asleep. And then got this little thing over here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs and like change real quick. And I need to cover this up. This looks horrible. I'm gonna have to start talking like this. Everything looks horrible right now. We'll be back. Okay, this looks much better than what I had on earlier. I still got my slippers on. Got these at Target. I love them so much. They're so comfy and just fluffy. I got these leggings, these faux like leather leggings from Windsor about maybe a year or two ago. They usually have this type of style, usually in stock and stuff. I'll see if I can find like a link or, you know, something similar to them, but they're super comfy. This top, there's a store in the mall. I don't know if it's just in the SoCal area. It's called Q. And their clothes are just so affordable and stuff. I got this turtleneck at Q. The jewelry pieces at XIXI. This the earrings were from Target. And then this cute poncho kind of thing was at Ross. It's fun fact. Well, it's not fun fact, but I seen this. I seen a what the fuck do you call it? Oh, I seen this scarf maybe about like 2 years ago, and I didn't buy it when I seen it. And it was actually like a legit scarf. And so a few months ago, I think a month or so ago, I went to Ross and I seen this, and it was literally like the same tones and stuff, the same color. So except this is just a poncho, but literally you can just scrunch it up and make it into like a V, into like an actual scarf. So I had to get it. It was 20 bucks. A little expensive, but it's cute. I'm gonna actually wear it today and stuff to cover this booty in the back, because like wearing sometimes wearing, because this turtleneck is a bodysuit, so it's like a thong, and I do have like underwear on and stuff, so you can see like some lines and stuff. So we're gonna cover the booty up. Okay, I think today I'm gonna keep it pretty simple with the skin. My skin is needing some moisture, so I'm gonna go with my Summer Fridays jet lag mask and add some moisture and some goodness to my skin. This stuff is so good. You guys should check it out. I think she's doing a I think they have some gift sets. Check it out at Sephora or online to see if they have any gift sets and stuff. So I just want to make sure my skin is just nice, hydrated. Put this under my eyes because my under eyes tend to get pretty dry. So next I am going to go in, I think I'm just going to use this today, honestly, my goodness, if I could talk today, my Hollywood Flawless Filter in medium 4. So I think I might just only use this today, guys. I think I'm still debating if I want to go somewhere. I don't know. I kind of wanted to go to Home Goods. Ooh, I kind of do. Okay, I had to get a brush. So I'm using this brush. I'm pretty sure I've used this for bronzer before, but I want to make sure, because this is a little bit darker, but if you blend it out, it should be good, because it's not medium. It's literally the lightest coverage you could think of. Okay, so I put a little bit of concealer on, just a tad, and some cream contour. So pretty much everything today is just all creams. I'm not gonna set anything, and I'm just going back in with my brush. Okay, I put some mascara on, and now I'm just gonna go in with the gloss, the Artist Couture gloss, and it is the Uncensored 2.0. So I'm just gonna apply that. Hydrating on the lips. Packaging is super cute, and I am here for it. And I don't think I'm gonna do anything to my brows. Maybe just brush them. Let's just leave it like that. Do a close-up for you guys. So the skin is looking very nice, and I'm trying to get good lighting so you can see. I don't need to add any highlighter or anything like that. If you want to, you can, but I think this is what I'm going for today. Just very subtle, minimal, you know. I don't feel like doing the whole shebang. So I think I'm gonna make me some coffee and figure out what I want to do. I don't know if I want to go to Home Goods. I kind of do, but I kind of don't, because yeah. So we'll figure it out.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So offering this simple phrase, although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.